Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I think you are fine. So as you see, today we're gonna discuss suffix and prefix. Not discuss, actually we will do some exercises. As in earlier classes, we finished some rules. Now we will evaluate a learning outcome. So we'll go for practice. So let's start. So here you see one exercise from suffix and prefix. There are around 10 fill in the blanks, and words are given, root word is given. So you to put suffix or prefix before or after the root word, then you will get the actual or the correct form of the word. So in case of suffix and prefix, we know that subject words formation will be changed. Suppose verbs given, it can be transformed to adverb or can be noun, or noun given, it can be verb. So we will think actually what is missing from the word, then we will put the missing part. Well, so let's read the text, then we will go for exercise, solution. And I put the solution hidden here, it will appear once I click. So first we will try, or you try to solve it, taking a still picture, then you match the answer I give you here. So it says, of the 4 language skills, listening is the first and one. Is cause a child learns its mother tongue first by listening to its mother. Then with the growth of age, a child comes in contact with others and learns the vocabulary and how to use them. Practical. Does it learn speak to mother and then to others? Is scientific observed. The speaking is the second skill of the 4. A child is first a dash listen, then it becomes a speak while mother listens. Thus they both change their ideas, and eventually the child learns its mother tongue. So once we have finished reading, now we'll try to solve this. So first and 4, so we know that there is a phrase named first and foremost, so it will be first, and so option A will be foremost. So of the 4 language skills, listening is the first and foremost one. It is cause a child learns. So it actually is showing reason. So reason we know that it is because. So it is because a child learns its mother tongue first by listening to its mother. Then it says, then with the growth of age. So as it is the, so we know that there will be noun here. So then with the growth of age, a child comes in contact with others and learns the vocabulary and how to use them practically. So it is practical. So use verb here, so we will take adverb, so use them practically. Does it learn speak to mother? So it learns, now there will be noun object, so it learns learning to mother, it learns speaking to mother and then to others. It is dash observed. So scientific given here, it is adjective, so adjective is placed before noun, but after the blank it is verb, so it will modify verb. So the word that modifies verb is adverb, so it will be scientifically. So it is scientifically observed that speaking is the second skill of the 4. A child is first listen. So here A is given, so it will be after A, it will be noun. So child is first a listener, then it becomes a speaker. while mother listens. So first it will be listener in noun here, then speaker here also, and it will be another noun. Then it becomes a speaker while mother listens. Thus they both change their ideas. So here a verb is given, there will be another verb, but it is not meaningful. Their ideas means they actually pass their thoughts, so it will be exchange. So thus they both exchange their ideas. And eventual, the child learns its mother tongue. So there will be eventually, the child learns its mother tongue. So now let's check the answer. Yes, foremost, because, growth, practically, speaking, scientifically, listener, speaker, exchange, eventually. So this is the solution of the exercise. So point is that you have to note down, or you have to notice what formation of the words is needed, whether noun needed here, whether verb needed here, whether adjective needed, or whether adverb needed here. In some cases verbs given, verb will be there, but suffix is missed or prefix is missed. That time you have to place this. So first exercise, we are done with first exercise. So how do you find it? Did you find it easy or difficult? I think it's not that much difficult for you, because suffix prefix is not that much core grammar item, and it depends upon your reading habit. So as much as you read before many paragraphs, dialogues, compositions, and if you read English novels, if you read English newspaper, if you watch English news in television, that very time you listen this type of words, and from that very IQ or that very intelligence you can apply here. So let's start second exercise. It says, King Solomon had a great repute for his wise. Once the Queen of Sheba wanted to test how wise he was. She brought two kinds of flowers. One was the floral wreath of nature flower, and the other was of artifice flower. And Sheba asked the king to different between the flowerets. Solomon didn't answer instant. He thought for a while. They were busy outside. He told someone to open the window and keep it closed. The bees came in and sat on the natural flowers. The rats could be identified by Solomon. Thus the identify of real flowers by the king made Queen great impressed. So we know that there is a story about King Solomon and Queen of Sheba, and Queen of Sheba wanted to test the wisdom of King Solomon, and that's why she placed two types of flowers and asked him to identify where is the real one. And with his instant wisdom, King Solomon was able to find out the real one. So what will be the answers? So King Solomon had a great. So as you find A, article, so there will be noun. So King Solomon had a great reputation and for his wise. So here also another will be a noun, for his wisdom. So King Solomon had a great reputation for his wisdom. Once the Queen of Sheba wanted to test how wise he was, and she brought two kinds of flowers. One was the floral wreath of nature flower, so it would be actually adjective. So the adjective form of nature, natural. So one was the floral wreath of natural flower and the other was of artificial flower. And Shiva asked the king to, as you find two, then there will be verb. So differentiate. So Shiva asked the king to differentiate between the flowerets. Solomon didn't answer. So answer is verb. So next word will be adjective. Sorry, adverb. Solomon did not answer instantly. So F number, instantly. He thought for a while. There was bees outside. He told someone to open the window and keep it closed. So it would be closed. The bees came in and sat on the natural flowers. The rats could be identified by Solomon. Thus the identification of real flowers by the king made queen greatly impressed. So now we'll see the solution. Yes. So first one, as I said, reputation, and second one wisdom, third one natural, fourth one artificial, fifth one differentiate, sixth one F instantly, seventh one G unclosed, and 8 number identified, and 9 identification, and J 10 greatly. So these are things like King Solomon, he had reputation, then it will be wisdom, natural, artificial, differentiate, instantly, unclosed, identified, identification, greatly. So far we have finished exercise on suffix and prefix. And first one is about language skills. There we went to a passage text about skills listening, speaking, this much, and how it transformed from mother to son or children. So let's have a review once, then we'll be done. So here it was of the four language skills, listening is the first and foremost one. It is because a child learns its mother tongue first by listening to its mother. Then with the growth of age, a child comes in contact with others and learns the vocabulary and how to use them practically. Thus it learns speaking to mother and then to others. It is scientifically observed that speaking is the second skill of the four. A child is first a listener, then it becomes a speaker while mother listens. Thus they both exchange their ideas and eventually the child learns his mother tongue. So this was the first exercise. So the thing that you need to remember first, how it was solved. First one, it was first and foremost, it's a phrase. It is because, okay. Then whenever you find article a and the this much, next it would be noun. So the it was growth. With others, learn, use them practically. So we know that the word that modifies verb is adverb. So use it is modified by practical, so it would be adverb, practically. Thus it learns dash to mother. So here it will be actually adjective. So speaking to mother and then to others. It is dash observed. Here also it modifies verb, so it will be adverb. So it is scientifically observed that speaking is the second skill of the four. Then it says a child is first a. So again we find the article a, then it will be noun. So listener. Then it becomes again it will be noun. So speaker. While mother listens. Thus they both. So here it will be changes verb. There will be another verb, but meaning is different. So it will be exchange the ideas. So again here the child learns its mother tongue. So here it will be adverb. So eventually. So this is the rules we learned, that when there will be verb and if it is modified by any word, that will be as adverb. So we will place adverb there. If you find any article there, then we will place noun there. And in some cases we need to add suffix or prefix with the root word. And what are the second one, what the things here? Here also a great, so a, so it would be noun, so reputation, and for his again it will be also noun, so wisdom. So once then it is like wrath of flower, so it is noun. So before noun before it would be adjective, so it is natural. So natural flower, and other was the artificial, again here will be adjective, so artificial. And king asked two. Whenever we find article two, then we know that after before then two it would be verb after two. So differentiate between the flower rats. And Solomon didn't answer, so here is verb. So next it would be adverb. Instantly he thought for a while. There were bees inside. He told someone to open the window and keep it. So it will be unclosed. And here also could be identified, it will be verb, as we find be here. Then the identification, so as we find article here, it will be noun, so identification. Then queen, again it is a verb there, so it will be adverb, greatly impressed. So in this way we can solve suffix and prefixes. So I suggest you to go through this type of exercises from different sources like model questions, board questions from different online sources. Then you'll be able to master on this. So thank you so much for listening and watching. Keep fine.